Today, I hate the bustling town of Giggleville. Joe, known for his epic sneezes, tried to suppress a sneeze during a town hall meeting, but this time was too powerful. He sneezed so hard that his toupee flew off and landed on the mayor's face. The mayor, thinking it was an attacking squirrel, started flailing around, knocking over the podium. The crowd burst into laughter, and soon the whole town was in stitches. From that day on, Joe's sneezes were the highlight of every town event, and Giggleville lived up to its name, thanks to the great sneeze mishap. Feeling we back. Not in Kansas anymore.